Hey guys, today I'm going for a ring pour. I haven't done one in so long. I'm super pumped. I have an idea and I'm going to be using only DecoArt products. So ready to pour paints. Let me show you what I'll be using. I'm going to be using all ready to pour paints straight from the bottle. Super fun, super easy. Tropical blue, magenta, pink, jet black, lemon, and white. Okay, so I have a 20 by 16 canvas that I washed off a while ago. And I have these two split cups. And my plan is to do one side with black and color, the other side with white and color. I'm going to be also putting a base coat of white paint on the bottom to help me move around the paint. So, let's start and prepare the cup for the dark side. Okay, so that's good. That's going to be for one side. I'm going to add more black actually. There we go. And I always keep a little bit of paint in case when it's dried, I want to go and do touch-ups with my paintbrush. Okay, so now for the one that's going to be lighter. Oof. I'm not used to using these. Well, lighter, what I meant was white. So I'm going to use yellow. And then white here. How about white there? And how about magenta here? Pink here. And then the bluish color. And then the bluish color here and here. Why not? I am just a little bit outside of my comfort zone, people. So we have two cups here. This one is more full, but doesn't matter. Now the base coat is just some DecoArt student acrylic that I diluted down to help me move around the paint, and that's enough. Okay, so let's start with the lighter side first. Oh yes, magenta. Oh, loving the center of this with the yellow. There. Okay, I'm actually, I was scared at first because of the candy pink and the yellow. Oh my gosh, that's so not me. But the center part is making me feel a bit better. Okay. And now for the darker side. I'm just gonna position this one a bit in case it does help. Since what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna pour inside the white. So when I move it around, there's gonna be the white paint in between them that's gonna divide them. But that's okay. Oh, yep. Now this is more some MelyD style. I love how the ready to pour paints create gorgeous lines. The consistency of the paint is really perfect, you guys. I do have the shakes. Ugh, there we go. Very cool. So we have the yellow that fit, the magenta, the turquoise-ish, bluish color. Now I don't want cells. Okay. Yay, the fun part. I'm having a thought. I am going to wreck this ring, meaning I'm gonna put lines through it purposely before moving it more. I find this is a technique that helps people who are perfectionists to know in advance that it's not going to be perfect, so you like can proceed easier and let go, you know? And I'm talking for me here. And I don't like there to be too many wrecks there. So I'm gonna go this side first. That way when I go to fill up those corners, the black is gonna come back up there. Yeah. There. There we go. Come back black. Oh, yay. Oh, I was gonna say the S word. I'm so happy right now. It's so much cooler than what I thought. I was a bit afraid here, but I love it. Oh man, I'm so happy that I did one side dark and the other side light. And I think my favorite part is this swirl down there and this here. So I'm just gonna make sure all the corners are covered perfectly, and I'll come and show this for you guys. So this is looking really cool. Let's go in up close. I am in love with how perfect the lines are, and there aren't too many cells, which also makes me very happy. The designs and just everything in this painting. It's awesome. The magenta is much darker in reality. There's something about red and a camera. Loving the swirlsies. This is so 70s. Stay tuned for the dried result. Back with the dried result, I'm going to show you guys 3 different directions. It's always so intriguing to me to know which side you like best. So there's top like this, and then there's horizontal like this. By the way, it dried like exactly the same basically. This part here is where I passed my paintbrush when I wrecked the pour, and look what it did. I find it freaking awesome. Okay, so this is side number 2. And this is the last side and my favorite. I'm loving it this way. There's so much movement. Okay, so I sort of want to do something else to this painting, and I'm not sure if you guys are interested in seeing that in a video. I feel like putting like some resin on top and then coloring on the resin and then another coat of resin. I don't know, I have an idea. Just in case I go through with it and I film it, I'm interested to know if that's something you guys would like to see, all right? So I hope you like this. Have a good one.